odi wo manim na okogina wo manem wo mrahye bedwafie.
That's any kwenya wa ma me say me nkyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma mu. Nearly kind share from 2012 at about 18. Now me sponsor annual Easter Games.
That's right.
Near ball matches so Kura Huro I oho. Na Yakobo finance no kwaso. And some amount for a strategy in Serbia and person DMP, but not entisa.
Okay.
Enti Mra ora John Kuma bae no. O share in field do ana ekrana. No you be a yefoso obedi obetena kunya no so ache.
That's right.
Now already MP so ma ba ho honorable say J honorable so do me be a 3 times. And John and so buy no you worry shemu say on so be 3 or more times.
Okay.
Or buy so when the Hwama yejuma ma na kama a lot of achievements. And enyemanko according to plan. Nyame adwene ni nipa adwene nyepe.
Correct.
You were unexpectedly na nyame to nsafre no. Nti e ba sa no na request from youth no. Because my boy nipa bebre ho through ball here tournaments here e binya kwan ko ball Premier Division club even while stars me the boys ni be ko ho.
Oh okay.
E bi kra boy be a friend of Isaac Minta little be ball Adiana Stars. Since Obo Ball was one of the North African countries.
Okay.
Through
Isaac Minta.
Yes.
Okay.
Yenya no sa tournament no.
Wow.
Yes. And a lot of young guys. These opportunities have been created for them. Intina almost say minya kwan ebeye yina ebeboa.
Okay.
Tamana almost kasemi medi MP. Na MP already intina enya dia.
Obetimi aba.
But a kwan da ho. Almost say almost person me be MP na me so me yi meti na ye nyina na e John asem you be obra ne ho ase o nyansa o nimdie o links o sha na onye ordinary MP because ye who MPs bebre o mantimi ampa mpuntu amre o mun crofo e be 2 times 3 times hwensi but ono buy even 1 term
and aside 3 years
3 years and 4 years mpo executives yam share executives na wo ho no 70 executives onyina ekura cars o mo drive e bi nti ba biada there's no constituency executives nyina drive pickups ni Prados ni yimi hu bi wo ba biada ne modern bo ntina otimi yes ade no
okay
o hwe mo a odebo a hwe okoha parks waye wo ho
parks
football pitches bebre hwe nyumu ahoro a waboa ema ye wafaso no nya wo security services ensano nyuma a wabuebue wo ho fish farming e be poultry ni niema apart from that hwe Boankra project ya wo ho yi ene akwan ahoro a wa start senka o ye ni nyina na chese o ye adwuma na butai pa eda makuma so ne say level na ode adwuso
ekodru no
yempe obi a keke esi onya be makukudura obi a owonim de wonyansa wo links ne connections a obetimi atoa dwumadie no so na da bia meka se nka ye football team a nka John de o ye Messi na Messi bobo no pra na ofimu a untimi nkofo obi a keke se ombe jina na namu ese onya Mbappe ana Ronaldo ana Kevin De Bruyne
ana Haaland
na wabe jina na namu ndo sha me na me Ronaldo na ese modem eko na metwa na dwumadie so wuyi obi keke na oba wan sha 4 years no agitation be too much expectation here too much when to me I need in the bush so na onkofo on side form me na met me atoa John Jumadi no so entina me ba say
for some time now you've been a little away but we be say do you still have those connections cuz Nantechi dey akojina home. Is it there? Because also be on my example.
Abranti be fi Achina Krum. Your friend Richard Ochre. Ne papa ne mama fi Achina. Ne wo fa no nyina wo. Me met me de omo number sama na wa frɛ wo. 2 weeks ago, me de ne call a True Campon Academy. Me de ne call me na me arrangements nyina. Or Bastia says here or bot trials or honum.
Who didn't call for trials?
Yes.
2 weeks ago.
Yes, or that
Bastia.
Bastia. Baby Amaculation said the football Europe no.
They came to see you.
Yes. Me no one who that, but me na me recommend obi de ne breme so ya de me hwe enso no ya de.
And I recommend the man Bastia.
Yes, all says here or trial. Enti so say person etifio ni links. Me fa me phone ni says here na me fro obi or Egypt. And now me fro bi or Switzerland, and now me fro bi or Germany, and now France, and now Spain. Say, me be so mo ye bi mamia. Nipa no opportunity. Obey straight away.
Wow.
Enti me the man of the moment. Connections no that's all. Entity.
Everything is intact.
Everything is intact. A personal relationship ni
okay.
For building.
Okay.
Tama nyame adom me koye ball adwuma no. True men so me good works no na nkrofo pem asem. Me ne nkrofo build a contest. Me to kwan kokro ahuro bebre cry what we are se bia 210. Ma come more than half. Ma share nkrofo e be a football for e be a politicians, e be a business people. Me so bibi hiamia o meet me abeboa. Enti me wajide pa say with political authority no meet me more for the people. Me ma bobra baby a nyankopon ndi me akodu no. Enya fe na me kopɛ Land Cruiser or Parliament ana me kopɛ adwuma agye ɛho bosumo akatua da bi enya saa na mpɛsɛ me ye me pɛsɛ me kɔ na me so me through that me timi som me kromufo na me nidie ene me nyansa na ma hoɔden a yankopɔn de akyɛ me no me de ɛbɛboa na ye develop ye nuanom ne ye wo faase no ne ye manom na ɔmo nso atimi develop
ma me musa asɛm we Oh yeah, better. Concerning incident here. Oh yeah, better.
As perfect the I was.
SMC canino. Now you're better. You felt disappointed. You felt betrayed.
Yes. I was angry. But me, you know who say, how long can you be angry? How long can you be bitter? Why shall I cry?
A bit me
yes. And I'm tuning in my mind. Me kai say some na bar first obi to say Ambassador Boatin or no na friend me no ambassador of China and na me ni dinko and I'm say I dey am family there to say the world should just end like that for me. Yes, I felt like that.
You felt like we are free we are say it's okay.
I felt like that because nipa asem kakra esi Ghana will be anka bi ma. As if say na omo twema ade na
asem na si na omo crucify.
Yeah, we me nwanwa. O nan fofo obi a dwane fi unchen. Obi na ebi kura ama me nchen mi.
To that extent, yes. People are nipa wa boa wo mu bebre.
Ebi kura wo up to now omo ntimi frɛ me da. My friend one omo mpa me call. What you say?
What?
Yes. Enti odwi no ho a say mini. Enti na nkrofobin so oboba me nche omo
ebe she won cry
yeah omo she me cry ebi say question ante chi communities me kai say even obi ka kire me money dey ne ba na the ba medical school I say medical school omo lectures I think on psychology omo say question ante chi dey nyame na bo anonka okuno ho kra committee suicide and kan you obi anwanwa.
They said it.
Yes, they said it.
But a dream maybe I want to speak to Senka Ukuwanka.
Yes.
At a point in time.
Yes.
O share nipe bi our boa womo.
Yes.
I don't know your corner same we buy because mukra so ti radio so kabi.
Yeah. Bebre omuka won asem basa. Ebi so ntie futu say nipa. I see
but see how we okay.
I'm okay now.
Because you need that to lead the people.
I'm okay. I said some say in fear numan as in fear you. 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah. And I've overcome it. But I can't forget it.
Affected Wawariana.
and quite men so
like
they
also there be no one. Aya hodi wo na sase we to a wa we ade dem page move for some time o
ade na nya adwuma ade na nya adwuma for some time na we refi poza
o refi gwa say ade re wo
na we refi say koku attention
this is an anti I know. But today you're okay.
Oh yeah, my wife was very supportive and I owe her a lot.
Call Baby or have you say the casa crab to me. She's been very supportive.
Oh yeah, and I said my background goes to that crow by or say, Daddy, is it true that you are crying? I'm saying, where did you hear this? Yeah.
We'll back it to her.
I never did that time, never did 9 years, yeah.
Obaya will say, Daddy, no crystal we are corrupt.
And I'm saying,
oh Jesus.
I don't say, now that would be our old school now, or baby son.
Say so, Papa, you're corrupt.
9-year-old girl, and now Obisa, and I'm saying, you're not correct. Now, as someone that will be a child to me, so now, young Copandaroma, the credit be daddy. Obia, I didn't dance here. To the child, I say, okay.
Asana, why you okay?
This kind of things there.
Ama why a better person now? And
now, yeah, I think so. Now when I see human beings, I see them differently. You know, didn't come out. Now my junior 2. You can't trust anybody. No. Trust a crime and cry better. Any padas I need there, only idea.
I'm on the other hole.
My way now was so. All your senses must be active. Because nipa no new cancer pano na or gin body so. So we are very, very careful. Nti futu amedemo be especially a man ya wafa senum. Omunya very careful. Be very careful. As I told me no. My mom pay say
and to be
to my time for cry. David. Omo yes ade no so me ni obi ani asem me nwene obi bone obi hu bone.
But you got to know them.
Yeah.
The ploy, the plot and everything. What who nipa krom yes ah.
Omo anu e na.
Ekoyi omo ka.
Yeah.
Mo ko di nkomo.
No margin ne say.
O de ache omo.
Yes. I don't hold anything against anybody. Omo jeni say omo yimi FGF hwa. Na I kwan na da kwa ama
omo.
But Nyankopon hihye ne nipa hihye nyepe. E ba ye no omo anya kwan amaji efe ho. Omo ne na munche hwa e bi or executive committee ne so. But they never got a chance to lead as they expected. Nti unim nhihye Nyankopon hihye ama. Na no me call asenta me koto ahinman pabo abi wo. Na me kota me kam abrante bi odimrika gidi na obae. O say Waduane a obedi die more than Yankopon ma na kom na abrante na odi bibia kata na nimo oye wo sade no na katua nyame ahihye na katua a etwe no enti ma mfa bibia ma bibia anhaw ma wakoma na oyam kama
ofre baby na be ka kire o
hu ni da e wo asenta yakra.
Yes, that's right.
And oba me nche na say me number bia sa na nkrofo
people come to you
and say
because mami musawe Ghana obetima ka say ehin na wo do ye when it comes to football fraternity. Yes, a calf to baby a Ghana for crash when him say obetima ye FIFA president one day.
No correct. Na say baby I me do football mo in Ghana no. Apart from Ohinijan obi enu hoda. Ghana ni bia anya FIFA council member da.
FIFA council member.
Yes, it's the highest level in football in the world.
It's
a board of directors of
FIFA.
Yes, I was a member. The whole world. FIFA foundation, a body be a nipa miansana, a dano, a share FIFA projects. I was a member. Let me a CAF first vice president. Ahmad, no, any president, you know. and come on me di HSA or no pentem crack or politics on the chrome in few years after.
And now there was opportunity for you to become CAF president.
To be CAF president, yeah.
My God.
Yeah. But nipa na no moye, you know, we just say we feel happy on kwa question my name wo. But any Ghana opposition.
Yes.
Modern bo.
Any baby a wo je.
Yeah, and let them do ho. Aha. It we feel no. They say CAF Nigeria ni na ko share FIFA. Na Congo sesia Senegalese ni na share baby anam yo.
E free so ko Ghana ni bia nya sa yi baby.
I better take you some time. Ntitama na I homogeneous ye ku kwesi yanteji no munim so mu ku Ghana man me fee GFA 2008 Black Stars performance African Cup of Nations 2019 first round 2021 first round 2023 first round yentimin ko second round mpo enya by coincidence enya by chance yes because of Bonnie any inchise Bonia omo intimi empa progress ma e better take some time me hope say me Ghana ni me pese Ghana e win African Cup me pese Ghana e win World Cup but say niema ya anye niema yie na say ye dwene how to bring people down instead of building strong institutions any empire nkosi ba bia
Habo non crop how me to do asemi no ebedi nkomo kakra na sports for no so abetoa so yero go see yantechi amemo no baby akudro no ejoso na akoye baby a yadwene ho sesia mrantie mabawa a wojoso na nanom atrankunya metise okochia na ya santoa a chese obochi dom na afrani okese so akone na ase ene party mpanifo ne ade die ne wani so ade hunu menim se aka mretia wa bi ejoso okọ omoto abama osisi a bosome be nsia nson na yesa akwa bato enti no menim se eto abama wa you're going to be their parliamentary candidate for 2024 elections. What is the vision going forward? Emma ejoso it's answer ejoso sani o kan no John Kuma abe page ejoso ama ejoso animu abenyam anope na mabrantie ba ko hwe obi obeye MP wa ejoso bia no wanye minister obeye deputy minister dia na wo ma ejoso
that's it lady kan what say
memtino
what say baby a ora John Kuma de ejoso do ye no Ora Oseje Ebeyebi.
That's right.
He was a full minister, foreign
affairs.
And now Ora
Diomi.
So to us, not a deputy minister for roads and highways.
That's right.
And now Ora John Kumabaye Obeye minister for first time he became a deputy minister for finance.
That's right.
Until I just level near very, very high. Until near modern Babamon say obetimi minister now. Because I just see a key. There were more than 110,000 voters in that constituency. One of the biggest constituencies in Ashanti region. Now, me ba ade soronko a meye wo ho a change adjuso. Me sports background. Person me use sports and they change the economy of adjuso. Me ba be me started with a small academy or paso. Na ye de no ahwehwe mrantie omunim boy all the towns in the constituency. Menen kofo bebre din kita ho. Abrante be a delegate crowd be sianse or the chum or Rani Coles Club. Ma catch and say uncle round na Coles for ni na o ma onyina emehia me. Omomra ne yenye nhia na yenhwe ne emetimi aye de aboa won.
Football so the sika wom.
Yes, sika wom ba unim
kwan ya be fa so a
unhu
de obeye.
Ye nyina ye ti kromo ha ma ye pen say Tombeno abeye Right to Dream Academy. Right to Dream Academy they say on na produce the best players for Ghana. Kudus Mohammed if you Right to Dream Academy. Kamal Dean
Right to Dream
Academy. NS Nyama Right to Dream Academy. The latest one here, Ibrahim Osman, Right to Dream Academy. When we are first team players of the Black Stars.
That's right.
Now, your cotton, the minimum almost ton will be 9.5 million euros.
Just canning in our could
Yes, Bruni or the Koni Krumu. 9.5 million euro and Kagana Nina. A bedin in somewhat Sanka or the Bebo and Krumu for.
That's right.
At least or Juma Rokran and Crofoya almost being a kakra. Boy, ya American Asemo, Richard, ya me so Bastia Sisi.
Our year trials.
Yame ya domina se Onyakwanya. Or Brand Abusia for $50,000 cra. Ever cost inflation wa China Chrome. Almost the Bayer Nema Bebre, Emma Mpunto Abba.
That's right.
You see, until I don't know, major no say, ye be bisa, me catch a chum say. 2-3 years, it me be bisa or Ubehu a quiet baby amam ranty or 2 or 3 people, and now 1 person crack a bridge 1 year in 5 years, and Nipa 5. And look at the multiplier effect at the chrono.
That's right.
To me, first, sports a one thing, you bet me diabwa. And job creation. Any skills development, so yeah, there me pese yeshe. Me pese yibu be to say skills development center. Oma ntimi anko school, anko enimu, antimi anye journalists and teachers and lawyers no. Yempe baabi a omo nso besua omo nsa no ho adwuma
ye.
Nti ye besua masonry wo ho, carpentry wo ho, tailoring wo ho, tiling wo ho, electrical works wo ho.
That's right.
Mechanical works wo ho. Nti oba na obesua sa adwuma na wa otimi bu adwuma na onso for na nti wa wantimi anko school kra you are not a dropout. Yeah. Na ye maame no mo ye nuanom ye yere no ma o mo to ma na yi no.
I just say market day.
Market day. Ye nhwe kwan be ya aboa won because obi wo ho sika kakra bi na ohia be 5,000 cedis and 2,000 kra na ode aboa na adwuma die because obo aba wa bo kuro. Ma omo na o madaruma yeti ase ye wo ye accommodate wa ma me na be ma waduro o yare on the back hospital school kro on the back ayi on the o so o kusua ball bokra same ko for ta aka se ne ma me to ni TV ekoto
boot ma no
e ma no ko bobo nti ye nhwe e ma no nso ne ye betimi aye de aboa won e very very important nti small fund bi ne be ye na omo access interest free loan na nipa no oje 2,000 cedis bi a onye na interest busum nsi ana afekura na wa betu ana obi nso anya sika de aye na something like a revolving fund.
That's right.
Na emema na mayo anu so a omuko school no kwan ba na ebetimi de aboa won ye behwe se ye be set up fund honorable aduchum last year me say o fund bi o de boa
see I was saying kwala be 30 afiwe.
Correct.
Engineers are almost graduate from Bosomtwe.
Look at that.
Kwala Marco 30 o man mema engineers.
Wow.
He wants say woman home brebe 5 years. Also to me produce about 200 engineers from Bosomtwe.
Look at that.
Now they imagine Bosomtwe about 30 back out and Chebia. Kwala our man engineers. Yes. So imagine Bakubia Kranu Juma the impact at Bosomtwe.
Yes. Inti yanshe say I just so say engineers are in a war. Kakrebi doctors are in a war. Kakrebi even lawyers and architects and other profit nurses cry. Inti yanshe say the next 4 years and I'm on by ni betu etimi I produce more professionals.
Okay.
In the long run, unya more people more self-dependent. Omebo krono. Omebo krono. Ube say sika ebe ba ho o nyuma horo mbe bue wo ho. Ebe ma krono kra apeja no ho ba. Na ejuso enye krokito wo santiman mo. Yenim ne nana ya santo aye yenim ne ejuso contributed to the economy and politics of Asanteman and Ghana mine. Nti uhia obi a owo din owo influencer oba obetimi atoa saa de eno so anybody at all as an MP obekọ akọji ne Land Cruiser aje ne salary but no then na nipa no be ye de aboa at the end of 4 years because MP there wanya de na watwikro na konechi zoro moving forward nti sa nyama kakra yi na dama kuma so ampese
for the nation na me patrol on the CAF president woni no edinkomo
current CAF president
aye
minimum no CAF president meni ni edinkomo oye obi a minimum no
on your friend is Motepe
yeah Patrice Motsepe. Yeah, Patrice Motsepe ofi South Africa.
Yeah.
Mekai say 20 I met him first time 2013 and 2014. Your ball Chan Finance cry. Mekai say your ball finance say okay ya na otumfo cry o hobi.
That's right.
Otumfo any FIFA president any ayatu any co-presidenti you know. Until who otumfo say oh I've heard about my king na Zulu or Zulu ni or say Zulu king na adi otumfo
dance
actually no senka onimso otumfo hokra aba South Africa nka obre ni plane say on tell mu mfa nkonkuru ahoro enkohwe ne obye wo.
Okay.
And he's so humble and respectful. O share otumfo the way obra ne ho ase echia no all son is an okoto. It was very nice to see. Or a very nice person. And now always cancel.
Hey,
people like this.
Sundowns.
Or no na or we create a foundation or a private foundation. Or set aside $500 million. And the two must say or the boy chrono. Or say chrono na boy manenye sika. Enti we $500 million at all say sika do yam fan hwe na yenye kane ane akwan any suku hu nsem emma ekronu enkwala.
Oh, free mono.
Yes. Oh, you're a very generous man. Very, very, very generous man.
Chobi to say is all far from so nebe din koma. Now here more. It's a possibility so mebo.
Obabo me. Some good projects. Say oh, mpese me big academy or ejuso. Me na me omo MP. Me pese me skills development center omeboa ni enye. Ade a obetimi aboa. Enye ono nko a nipa bebre a mentimi mbo.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Akwasi Nyantachi. Ena me ne twetwe nkoma no pay. Ejoso nyame ya adoma ekira na wotwe omoto aba. Delegates menim say Matie Masum. Today Ghana football dia na obeka fa.
Ya mompa ye na.
Ye ni ayehwe ball no yesu. Metima ka say akoma no abufuo no timi kwa wanhwe ana kyese wo ye nya pressure na ye twa so. The last Côte d'Ivoire an embarrassment. Ekwa fa so far coaches. Ye fa coach we for the ever since your exiting. Say coaches are ma men kai mani a. Say coaches are fa o ma ya team. Omo bedru be 11 po. Ebi akwa ba bi koba ne ade. There na we ye no sonko. Wo dey call World Cup 2006, 2010, 2014. Na ye nko bi da continuously 3 times ye call World Cup. 2010 grad ye as am jan dey on dey say ye chine da chia na obehu. Anka ye call semi finals. Everybody saw your performance.
As amaja miss a penalty no. Ye ba penalty shootout or share.
And you me win so de na ehia. De na ya Greek no ye nya.
Oye bema akukuduro rapa because sa penalty second one no share na na ma Steve Bruce. I didn't call Sunderland said this boy has a very strong mentality.
Because now ko bi anko kase wo mokra.
Me agabeka ze mimza ma bere mintimi. Ma bomu bebu.
That's right.
But me di kan ya ka say ushia bema owe adwe emu odin pa.
That's right.
Nti say obi de adwe tu nanum na omiamu bra na ebubu a menwene say won so betimi apaye adwe no o de osin betimi apa wan hwa ojo no kura bebu. Nti Tama Akwasi Nyantachi ba GFA me ba 2000 as president 2005.
Okay.
I was just about 37 years. And I omuyi me as president. Me buy na Ghana nya players ahoro players akantinka Razaka ba akọ Polo abakọ Pokunti abakọ papa kunum nyina abedi Pele Pokofriye adai chenchehine players ahoro akese enso yentimi anko World Cup da
Anthony
Yeboah Samre na or Germany
Sako Leeds
enyagro but me buy no and I'm say let's run football as a corporate entity into me development plan business and development plan, and I'm say yen set targets am I ho na yen set up strategies are ye de be achieve targets no e bi ni say as qualify to 2006 World Cup. Even in the development plan, make I say you qualify for 2006 World Cup. You more than uncle second round. Yeah, a quite better so in sika, a quite better so a develop infrastructure, media, public relations, staff welfare. Nina ye review ena ye toto ye shisha ni mato for nina. Nti nyame I don't me qualify for World Cup. Ti call World Cup 2006 and you do second round. I want for say, lock, and yes, I'm called BM 2010. And lock is some of the Omujaika, and yes, I'm called 2014. That's just said, a year, Kwasinya Ntechi administration, baby Sronkubia, or Moye, a day in Sisaya Baye, na yetimi achieve Sadia, no. Because na Ghana, you were big players in there, na Nakra.
What time now did I Mukoje, you know?
Under
20 World Cup.
A been CBM African country behind World Cup on the BM. The first and only time Africa in World Cup under 20 Ghana.
Yeah.
2009. Egypt. Yeah, you win the World Cup in the African country behind World Cup on the BM. Inti share this foundation na young one was said from 2008 2006. You call Nations Cup. You December and you call Nations Cup January 2006. If you move first round, but from 2008 up to 2017, me what GFA hono. Yeah, the worst performance for the Black Stars,
semi-finals. We even went to finals.
Yeah, about 2 finals. 2010, yeah, Egypt ebo Angola. Yeah, lose 1-0. And at 2015, yeah, Cote d'Ivoire ebo Bata, Equatorial Guinea.
And no penalties.
Yeah. Enti na the confidence be by my GDA by team no more. Ghana for any G team no. But 2019 at the ban oh yes a graph I back from say steep slope in performance. Then say you trust near share nientia performance na above form. Oh share the common denominator in all these years your question and teaching and or no ni hope because I'm your coaches near assessor players be near assessor. But Kwesi Nyantakyi was the common denominator or constant. And Yame Adom so success in the buyer. Now Oshe steep slope now. The common denominator is also the absence of Kwesi Nyantakyi. Let's just say you share near current administration near now ye review near ma ye nyina ye Ghana for more ye betimi de aboa won ye aboa won na Ghana football net me apeja no ho afura into mapa because baby a Ghana football no me de ko do ye no fata any baby was here. Inti management, good management practices, ne strategies are ye use here no and a boa me could do mpempenswa ye ja ball no.
Ye be peja mo enchebia na agudi ye konfo no so abetoa so. O party ye New Patriotic Party, but those time I we football no one said I knew him that much. Tina man for cry and said him say oh MPP cry oh godfathers or MPP Moses yeah. Why am I do call MPP? Because I know what I know within the circles. They say man Penny Kufuor now you're a darling boy. Yes. He really wanted you to become the FA president because no him the omo and to a boy. What has been your relationship with Oman Penny Kufuor
before me to say na moy me call Papa Nchen.
Who called our friends say Papa?
Papa. Me call Papa Nchen. I call Jane Shira and Kwanchre and a futu.
Okay.
Me call you Obisa Mensem me and Sabi. Say politics the nyada jiu. We can be as okay. Obi anya problem or conscience na una ebedi kan afro nti say why you wadwin say obeya then you must psych yourself to do all these things. Oyenso abeboa because so we passion to serve people yeah sa nneema no obenya
adaje
aye obenya adaje aye na ebema satisfaction ono eno na then a code through or rises I could do president because Papa Kufuor tama oye candidate cry and son obedi president. A ye bia ni wa uncle be that. ono say Ghana crew bi anywhere anymore.
Yeah.
From Paga to Muhammile they call Elubu ne Yaflawo baby anywhere uncle Hoda. Young cry admire no pa because Asante my shano a year si bebre young man is young fire promo line just so a year or be call if you are call a donaso or call a yachina
or down or driving or benasi achinas
or twa otimiko a year by 10 in a day. Oh, inti Omami who said this is going to be a challenging experience for me. I idea managing who they are Oshira Somame.
Okay.
And he's been a big inspiration to some of us. I was arguably the best president in the one of the best presidents in the Fourth Republic. Why dear Juma we were born a Juma ye my intina or two a debia nankrofo econoso. The nine so now omokoje inchirane adwenchire. And current president so Osha or non so abone home modern or you'll be he also rose through the ranks and current vice president until Mabo Modin Akomona so the Massima
Wakona now Ako vice president.
Nana may call ho a train a Dana Kenyan president by and so if you obey 11 man who know always the following morning member Mantimi uncle but vice president Makohunu.
Okay.
The Macon and also Ako strength in Shirane support.
Oh, okay. So now penny for no the only woman in Komowi to know officer you're ready for Ejusu.
I'm ready.
Now almost say politics. You go to tell her near you unisika untumi nyama nyosem. Obi kwa dan obi so na kwoti anta chi so you unemployed into no sika no be no dey ababe.
Me say enye sika nko a enye sika nko a nanka sika nko a say obi atimiko. You need a track record. You need a name identity in your problem for me.
Okay.
And now we have track record. Then now I hear what brabo me brapa anti you know be share ni sika no so ehia. Scanning here but scan quantity me nyo MP.
Okay.
Me nam ho no me niska but me nyo hia ni so. Nkofo eboa me in one way or the other. Me feel say I'm okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then I will catch up to na MPJ Muma sports for no metwaso. Minim say a free samre kuya no amount for the money be di actually ahwene ekoso. Then I will catch say Ejusuman yinada. Delegates titru. Minim say wo mu tie ma no pe.
Yes. Delegates no way delegates election o anya general election. Omo koto aba omo ye nipa kakra bi 1080 na eto aba. Na me show on boss me ba delegates welfare ade damakuma so pa na me tete rumors bi say oh mo de kwasinya ntechi ba obeyi mo fi ho na ode nipa foforo abehye mo na em
How
any propaganda.
Okay.
So Onim said there was some controversy over delegates list just so asem no kra ko do court me show on boss omo to aba no omo na minimum bia wo ba bia enti nyame adom na me ba omo na me ne won ebe ye adwuma ekosi mra ye be san to aba yi nipa foforo ba minim say omo dwumadi a omo di dwumadi ni ye re-election and issue for them. A lot of them, or even all of them, can be re-elected on account of.
More biens through say. Oh, Baba, do almost no acquisition. I register now.
And a could be a war just so at the young Petros. John, it is a cool.
Yeah.
Now, young Petros, and also almost the grassroots people for the party.
Okay.
Almost number 20,000 delegates no bebre if young Petros no more. Me say me show on boss me ba young Petros ye bet in team ne 9 ejina form yi.
That's the John Jai no be krem.
Na matwa so me betwa John Juma pa or start here no shase no. Enti na me slogan ne ejusum puntu ntwaso. Because me ba na ma betwa John Juma de no so. Na John ba ye no na ye nim say or short life say na ye wo gide pa we ne mu say obey nyama bebre ama nti areho ne wo the big lost to a lot of people.
Oh yes.
Nti when you obi a or work kudro or connections and resources or the beboa delegates na on be the areho nti me na me feel say me are the best person in the circumstances.
All right. I was your former in Bessia and Pepinka, non crop how me said, you know, the name of Pijamimu. Na Irago senior teacher, not to Chincomo, sports for the Barber Twasso. Na the Akabia, so Modia Mamu. Namia Duma, Etnana Ochi, na Yen the Nibako Shibi. Hona, Meme de Zana Ochinana, me Liberty Conference inti, me de Masumum Barbeto. Mickey. Me also have time that my question by Kuma Ira question Antachi.
Say a good year moon.
Yeah, Jeff so na have Apostle.
Your former GFA president there in name say he's brainy. Inti wabahadia na say yedidi mu kakra.
Okay.
But ni na no also sent town or jeso any the opeso ye the mom media interest me kese what he did with Wow Stars the BA. Are we going to see something similar? So would it be by Echiso?
Mame Kasembi. Before me Wow Stars. Before me 2 teams.
Okay.
Kwaso All Stars. Any Wow Stars.
Kwaso.
Yes. That was team of Kwaso.
Okay.
That was team of Mikromo and Kwaso anywhere. Enti Wow Stars ejinai. But Kwaso All Stars. Manya very competent people more man team no so.
Okay.
Team no eguye. And the man me be Easter games no.
Okay.
Just to keep the place vibrant.
Okay.
But this year me by me share mo boss mo be hu a replica of Wow Stars just so.
Oh wow.
That means what ye bibi sana now you share one impacting the social lifestyle and also the economic lifestyle. Just so when you idea that wakuma sopana.
Papa. Economy of Ejuso ebe pejakra. Because ball no we are dealing with billions of dollars so.
Yes.
And now medical kase even me wafa say bi ofi Achina Chrome or the Richard Ochre. Me de ne papa number be ma.
Okay.
Ana ne wafa na ma frɛ no.
Okay.
So see kase or Bastia FC Bastia or trials ofi Achina constituency.
Wow.
Yes. Enti me beye niema saa na ya promote mantie mo mako amanoni akobobol na Richard ewo nyame adom na osign contractor or the $50,000 man papa kra say o faje bibi o achina anya inflation never cost
on ani abebre
na ye be promote adjuso pan enkro ahoro to say Rwanda omutu skama CNN to publish and advertise the country.
Yeah.
Near maybe be or GFA 3 World Cups no. We share over 6 billion people I share TV during the World Cup. Let's just say ya ton ye kuro no.
Oh yes.
Medina me dey ba ejuso.
So what the football no.
Baby football.
They are
ye niema bebre. Asamoah Gyan no mo Steven Apia no nyina me dey on be ba ejuso. Na o ma be ball fan games. Na o mo ne delegates ne nkrofo komo. Na promote ejuso. Bema nipa bebre omo Steven Apia na Asamoah Gyan ba hokra na ye bobola obi oto nso kra wa je so obi nya skal sada no ko nipa bebre ba nso ko be de won na o ma to nso ni bi nipa nema bebre besi obi oto mango obi a oto wache kra obi nya esonfa so nti ye de nema bebre beba around sports na be promote ye so
oya ade ba ko bi during no time o the Premier League experts eba Ghana ha say omombe church omo run your clubs no kwayon be fa so mbe di omudwuma ebe peja ye football ne di akonenim nansia na yetete nkomo bi say FA no edwen ho say obeye an autonomous Premier League minim wa dwen kire wo ho wo bibi ka fa ho de
autonomy de any baby be a semi autonomous o ka say autonomous let's just say on FA ni bibia ye biem there's no autonomous league in the world though. The English Premier League is semi-autonomous.
Okay.
Because the FA still appoints referees for the matches.
Yeah.
But management of the league, sponsorship, scheduling of matches, any sanction in here, league management board. Okay, so me the Sir Riches about no the chairman of EPL.
Yeah.
That's right.
Me the ne ba say o mekire kwaya Oma Faswama EPL, the most lucrative league in the world.
Apeja.
They don't necessarily have the best players to say Spain, but
Exactly.
they have marketing. Oh, and many Mr. Brapia and the General Secretary that time, Isaac Ado, they call Bundesliga. It's the most patronized league in the world.
Yeah.
You know that.
Yeah, attendance in a
huge. In Germany, football is not a football match, but it is an event for the family. Into Obi Stadium, near Neba, and Nebusan for me dinachi. Or Mudu Okoshe, German match, or Obi Stadium, ne jogger or beer woman.
The pint no kutana.
Yes,
jog and beer no.
The Proconamutu Brodomu Private
hamburger.
A very popular honum.
Okay.
Now, Oko a stadium like Geshinkeshin, Shaka Ofo Stadium.
Yeah.
It's one of the most remarkable stadiums in the world. When you say that stadium, no, it is covered.
Yeah.
I know a ball was no. Because we are more so no, we are by a tree stadium. We are happy. We are now.
That's actually about.
Yes. And now you will be a
joint.
Bubrano.
Bubrano.
Bubra caps no. A trust stadium. Yeah, pipes. Emanate trust stadium. No one in Asia say. Maybe I will be out to me kobu. Now where to yaka.
By the time about Shaka for Bobo, we na sika umanya will be a one.
Bibre, German omunum a beer to send in soup. Because of the experience from the Second World War. Enti, Sunday may yakwa, yes, your crochet near by your crew, my best. See, it's me, be wahana. Oh, German breweries are walk on quiet over 700. Yeah, your breweries be a new 5 from poor Ghana. But almost culture, no. Enti, so Yankas, a breweries, and I, but your mobile just an abayara. Then you bit me a year to promote the economy of Kumasi, to promote the economy of Ejoso. Among for I enjoy a game, so they'll be looking forward to a football match, not to see Abedi Pele and your best players Kudus no Kwao. Say the economy correct, the associated businesses around it.
Not just a young track, just a football match.
Football, no, the match, you know, them for but the multiplier effect of the match, you know, na yeah.
And I know that the economy never page and this
government in my baby ever.
I did because I net dawa kuma so pane sponsorship. Na sponsors bar league ni mukama. But there's been a trend of say sponsor bar yentimi retaining no na oko. You have enough experience to speak to this matter. How do we work on retention?
I did the biggest sponsorship bar Ghana football.
No crap.
$22.5 million in 5 years from 2008 to 2013 from Glow. On my league, you know, $5 million a year, and $3 million a year. So 3 times 5, 15. And on my Black Stars, $1.5 million a year. Into 1.5 times 5, 7.5. 7.5 plus 15.5, $22.5 million.
Whoa!
You can see that. Oh, but point now raising and so yeah, no correct. But that is linked to the economy of Ghana. Global, you know, almost sponsor GFA. Now almost share Omajumase.
That's right.
They were expecting to make returns, but due to unfair business practices, be omunya from omo competitors.
Yes.
The business collapse. They call Capital Bank and so my $2 million.
Yeah.
Almost this kind of buy, you know, after a while, na bank no enyade. Who and some crime a day will be called prison. Asian. Aha. And actually, number one, so every 1 million.
Yeah.
And the company collapse here. The beer sponsorship is linked to the size of the economy. The country with the biggest sponsorship in Africa is South Africa. There are more than 20 companies sponsoring the South African Football Association because of the size of the economy. South Africa, Nigeria, any Egypt, any Morocco, these are the biggest economies in the country. Into Yamompa as a politician, Sebebuana, yet strong economy. Now I impacted on football.
Because our year was exposing potentials. Abra obedi football, Jumedi, Ghana, Hawafu, CAF, FIFA. Oma Ghana for ne do na so enya such opportunities no international stage in a way. Where are dancing Miami de anya sembisa. So more GDS all be just so then it will expose more just for us to such platforms, you know.
Me the way Nyankopon bɔ me ne say me nya greedy person baby a meko bia na ma so nkrofo nsa na omu di machi enti me ye a na omu nso ye bi na me first vice president of CAF me na me constitutive committees no for president the chairman sir
okay
enti ye ma countries bia ye rank countries bia ye ka say A countries in Africa Ghana, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Morocco, Egypt, South Africa. You see, mo be 5 slots.
Okay.
B countries, near mo be 4 slots. C countries, near mo be 6. Sana ye rank here. And ye I'm say me. I am the first vice president of CAF, and I have to enjoy some privileges. And no, na Emma me kwaya me the Ghana 4 be brave. Me the Ghana 4 see be car 5 no money 11.
Because a lot of Ghanaians got
yes. If you are when you over if you move. And so you say
so when you on go football
you know yourself good question to check him say na good question good Ghana my
funny now so abafo.
And so I hear evidence after your exit our football and positions and FIFA Cup
I know the mame Areshe mu say that should be oba based on that trait na ewo ni mu no he's a selfless leader obi opportunities ma omo ben and even omo onimo mokra we have seen instances omo nhyeda ne nka say be omo cassette ya no radio so o share omo ni omo din komo
in the songo
say awadam for pa ni songo
no songo me any problem me chiano kama but oko radio so na madane ne
so he's a selfless person I mean
okay expression base sikadie
basa GF sikadie ojalo show awara beba all right the guy wanted the interview be
yes
or say and also so many say kofa assembrewa people resorted to it say Kwesinya Ntechi is arrogant because Kwesinya Ntechi kakase ono na obe decide omreso ade obeba no
obo obi ade abiso ne mreso ya
yeah
ama
for anti wase ana
anti wase kra any arrogance me bra me wase papa baby a me fi bedu baby a me du ya ne de na ma mfa aseda amanya me na ma nsum nipa na chese me yeboni ayeni enti me nipa de o ya kola peni o ska o niska o ya madam for me nhwe me nye yimu na yimu baby da bi me nye sa enti sa asem na me kan ye no na me pa kire se ekuo no obi a nsori mfini fie me ka se me be diko na anim na me da no so na nkofo gidi o me mu pa fa juma pa me di na me nipa bebre ye fine me be ya de a bisa nana domain no na sponsorship ye be chiska na me ko bi afie na de kodi hu nkomo ansa na ma be yo
wow
yes me sorry nka say me discuss say ma sante koto me ba Dr. Chi ho na me say doctor sika say ni enya wo say na mpesa me pe adwenche na waka say
almost all
yes,
the
I talk to them.
leaders of the football clubs no?
It enjoys wide acceptability
cause no be a kasas
what you say but why it's a trait of leadership
yeah
be do consultation from the grassroots
yes
or the bar you get that why yes you find opposition from what that for probably oppose you who call say kwesibasa de wa mama ne Miss Marjorie new into me for be adwene every major thing I did it into ebeba no na they have bought into it what you say into omo pay some trouble for mobile criticize omo na be defend me
it's like the young say football for
the be amakota Kwesinya Ntechi
yes
okay koka hona fe bi pege mu
a lawyer we are football administrator, sports administrator. You are also a man of many other initiatives. Nyakopon ya adomo a just for to abama oko parliamentar. Adia bako damakoma so amede tu enim menim so was we the home commander. The sports fund it's become an issue at Ghana. Then now obey the afa ho de aboa se ye betimi a fast tracking the implementation.
What we say a good thing MPP government the sports sports act by and this is the first time I created sports fund.
Yeah.
Oko England there are ways to fill the
for initiative.
Ebine tobacco, taxes on tobacco.
Okay.
Taxes on lotteries. Any games of chance. Nti ese ye hwe saade no say mahu se kofo bebre na eje saade kura de say sports betting no ano no ye ma ye ni nko na nka sika ni bi say the way you set up get fund say am no nyina ye koto nso kura bat wo ho bat sika ni bi ko get fund ba o ko tax bat say o mu fa bi mra sports ye betimi aye. But me feel that there are other ways you bet me I raise this sikano.
Okay.
Sports betting are popular amongst the youth. Into yamma enya the power morally enya the pass sports bet me be that mempe.
Yeah.
Me feel say it discourages hard work and productivity. But encophobia dey your majuma or
and won't mean gasa no so pam.
That's the point.
Exactly.
Enti omonye by yen fa tax nto so. Na say sika no ye fa no nkoto sports fund no. Within a year you been sika bebre.
That's no abrante na no set sports tax ya. Omo dey buy. Say kamrante ni hu say go into a sports fund. Now they develop sports, they will pay.
I think so. They will.
They say who they this kind of year. Boys na ga.
So I think the complaint now say omo tiska na.
Omo tiska na. Omo who dey omo dey.
Say yeah accountability. Say parliament every year omo dey accounts score say sports fund sika na. We ni dey here. Na obi a wa contribute so na come beto na yemu say me dey boama ye dey develop sports.
Okay.
Intinka lesser known sports. Na see I call all Africa games.
Yeah.
Me will say Chaso says be sport no the
I'm wrestling.
Enye no nti anka ye nimu guase.
No kre.
Ye mpesika ma no na onfanye arm wrestling.
On develop.
Ekwan a ye befa so na yetimi promote arm wrestling around the country no. Ye nhwe ne other lesser known sports. Football no so ye masika nkomu. I know that Timiton country is in BBO.
True.
Me ma 1 or 2 examples. In 2006, you call World Cup by you call Japan and Korea for friendly matches. I think around October or November. They do Japan airport. Almost say Ghana no. It be say Guyana.
Yeah.
And Ghana no act on through football. Before Black Stars going to work, many people thought Ghana was Guyana.
Yes.
Black Stars in the microphone will say Ghana, Ghana, and
Guyana.
You call Korea. Almost say before you call World Cup, no, na Ghana Coco nye popular or Korea. You call World Cup, no, that will be any bar Ghana Coco so. Enti sika yedema Minister of Tourism and Foreign Affairs o promote Ghana no. You fa be imagine if no mo fanya Black Star. Na omo enton Ghana na ye nko World Cup nkoji World Cup. Ye ji World Cup ya ye kuro kitoi. Sika dodo e be ba ha kranka. Ye na be nya bi atu e botom.
All right, we shall for. That's been wonderful. Ye peje mu na fancy ni. Wona kana abeto aso de amamo. Kasi meda asese wonya abrani atwetwe nko.
O ma no meda wase papa ne Jumadi a udi wa hanom. Medie oye menua. Ne waya mame esoma ni papa. Empire me bone se oduma nkoma a o hata soro obehira wa oni wabusuafo nyina.
Amen.
Ene sompafo nyina omoboa. Yankopon enhira mu nyina. Ame ya dom na mensaka ne dama kuma so adwuso a besan ba ha na ye de aseda
amotwedi ampo. Abusuafo ye pagya emu. MC for Asokore Mampo. Honorable Kankam. Also no be din kombo pa.
Oh, minua medana sa. Honorable no MP ewo Ishaiso. Dim no pa. Be ma kukudura.
Wose men kan kire so no be din kombo na adwoso ho. Obebo chidom.
Mate medana sa. Amishira no.
Abusia we di musia e beda mo asa.
My name is Kwesi Antich. In this region, sports is all about
Super Sport.